Guys, good morning to us all. Yeah, this morning I want to use this video to show us the importance of being part of ZenFi ecosystem. Guys, read my lips. The reason why you should be part of this amazing ecosystem. Look at, let me show you something. Yesterday, one of the things you need to see. Look at my account. Look at what I have in my balance. This business is like it's like you are doing Baba Jebu. I don't know how to put it. Before this account, I think you can see in my account, you can see $18.55 now. In 3 hours time, before you know it, I will see $25. In 3 hours time, you will see $30. I've removed money from this system. I'm tired. Between yesterday and today, I think I have like maybe $8 yesterday. But when I wake up this morning, I will see $18 again. That's why you continue seeing money. That is one thing. Another thing is that look at the Zen token. You can see what you see there, 27,000. I mean 2,700. Can you see? After USDT, BNB, and Z token, you can see 2,700 unit there. I mean level 7. Are you with me? It's 12,700 I have there. I stake. Let me take you inside. I've staked 10,000 of that coin. Can you see? This is a system where you can do your unit. You can still stake it. They give you more. I stake it for 3 months, and the percentage I think is 40% in 3 months. Meaning that what is 40% of 10,000 units of the coin I stake? It means that they will be giving me 4,000 in addition to this. By the time they want to release that my coin for me, the principal coin with the interest, which is 4,000, I will be collecting 14,000 units of that coin. My target is that time. Look at it. You need to work with leaders that will show you the way. I'm not making mouth. Not that we are prouding. Are you with me? You need to work with what? Leader that will show. Can you see what you can see? Look at what I'm seeing now. What I stake 10,000 yesterday. Can you see 10,000? Can you see between yesterday night and this morning? You can see 3.6 as minted out of the what I stake. Do you see? At a very fast rate. For those of you that you are not in the ecosystem, don't know what to ask. The reason why I said you should be joined here. If we join a system, you know the reason why we join that system. If leader like us, we join a system, you know the reason why we are going for that system. Look at what I staked yesterday, 10,000 out of the 12,700 that the company gave me for my level 7 with the unit. I staked 10,000 yesterday, and look at the rate. Meaning that with this rate now, in 3 months' time, they will give me is 4,000 units of that coin. They will give me 10,000, 40%. That's 4,000 units. Can you see? By the time they want to release in 3 months, they will now release 10 plus that for making 14. They will release for me my principal coin and what the 4,000 of the interest of the coin that I hope to get through for the staking. That is one. The reason why I'm doing that now, they said they're going to release this coin in 2 months' time. The reason why I choose 3 months, in 2 months' time. Later, all things being equal ceteris paribus, they may be in 3 months' time. They now release the coin in the DEX. I will to, and that time when the coin move up, like $1, that I will give like 20 million Nigerian. That will be 4,000. If that coin you have to do $1, that is $14,000. Almost like more than 20 million Nigerian naira. Guys, this is the reason why I said you should join the system. That is amazing. That is mind blowing. And you also know the leader that you are following. The reason why I follow Bessemer, do you know why I follow him? He's a capacity leader. When he has to come to a project, you must have evaluated very well. Do the needful. That, guys, you need to be in ZenFi. If you are not there, you are deceiving yourself. Don't play with this ecosystem. If you sneeze, what you lose, guys. See you.
Whoa, guys, you can see what this guy just said here. This is when I tell you that ZenFi ecosystem is not a kind of project that you should joke with. This is what I meant. And this person, within space of 4 days now, this person have cash out up to $244 in this ecosystem, and it's still counting. And this is when you find a profitable ecosystem that will change your life for good. Okay, and mind you that this Zen token we are talking about can even go up to $10, $20, $30 because it's a community driving ecosystem. It's possible, and you know how much it is. Let's just say that this guy has 10,000 pieces of it and this went to $2. Do you know that this person automatically has $20,000 in his account? This is to tell you that everything in crypto, once you start doing the right project, you are going to start seeing the right results. Now, if you want to be part of this, let me show you how to do that. Okay, let me use this fresh account to show you how you can do this. What are you going to do? You click on discover. Once you use the link in the description, or you ask for the link, I'm going to provide link for you. So once you use the link, what you are going to do is to come to this particular search here. Once you come to discover, you click on search, then you paste the link. Okay, so once you paste the link, you click on search here. So here what you are going to do is to click on switch network. Once you click on switch network, you click on sign, and once you click on sign, it's going to take you for sign. You are going to click on sign, enter your password. Make sure you are making use of web3 wallet, okay, like Trust Wallet or any other wallet you have. And once you are here, what you are going to do here is to click on continue. You can see the name DonRaph here. Make sure you verify the name. If you don't see the name, what you are going to do is click on change here, then come here and type DonRaph like this, DonRaph. So you click on it like this, then you click on search. You are going to get the same DonRaph you can see right here. Okay, this is to tell you that you are in the right track. So I click on continue here. I'm just trying to show you how you can be part of this. So here is different packages. Before you join this ecosystem, you must be part of the, you must buy slots. Okay, this is level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. Depend on the level you are is the kind of products that we unlock for you. Let's just say level 1, you are going to pay just $10, okay, to be part of level 1. Okay, you pay $10. Just as low as $10, you can be part of this ecosystem. Then once you are in level 1, you click on buy. You can use your BNB. Okay, you can use your BNB or USDT BNB chain. Okay, so make sure you load your BNB with $10 worth. Okay, so once you click on this buy, you are going to follow the process and buy. That's how to do this. It's very simple. Let's just say you want to buy level 2. Okay, you are going to pay $30. That's for level 2, and you click on buy. You can switch it to pay with BNB here, or you can switch it to pay with USDT. Anyone that you prefer, you are going to make use of it. Okay, but if you are paying with USDT, make sure you have like $2 or $1 worth of BNB for gas fee. That's how it works here. If you want to buy from level 1 to 3, because a lot of people will buy from level 1 to 3, just what you are going to do is just to click on this level 3 here, you pay. Okay, you pay just $70. Here is my favorite, this level 7, and you are going to pay $1,270. You can pay with BNB or USDT. If you are paying with USDT, you are going to be paying this 2.2277 worth of BNB. Okay, so this is how you are going to be part of this ecosystem. It's very simple and sweet. And once the reason why I'm asking you guys if you have the money to join this level 7 is because you have a lot of benefits. Okay, all this product is going to unlock for you, and you are going to be receiving this turnover. This turnover, what it simply mean is that you might come to your dashboard tomorrow and see $10,000 in it. It's part of your own share because you are part of the ecosystem. Okay, any money the company generates for a month, they are going to share it with those people that are part of it. That's from this level 7 and above. This is massive. I keep saying this, that you should be part of this ecosystem. So once you see yourself in the ecosystem, you are going to do a lot of things. You can start making use of all those things. Once you watch some of my videos, you understand the reason why you must be part of this ZenFi ecosystem, because there's a lot of money to make. This is just a few of people that are making money in this ecosystem. There's thousands of them making money every day in ZenFi ecosystem. What are you going to do? Join ecosystem, use the link in the description or ask for the link. I'm going to provide this for you. You can equally chat me on WhatsApp so that I can guide you on how to be profitable and how you can start making money in this ecosystem. That's all for now. See you guys at the top. Bye bye.